Okay.
Oh, wait.
I can't sit, but I'll do this. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Right. So, call to order. Court. Right. Who have we got for the defense in this particular trial? No one?
No, I'm the defense lawyer.
Okay. Smashing.
Defense, we have PureIceChill.
Okay.
He's
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
He's defending himself against Mr. I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Gremlino, the purple dude here.
Purple dude. Mm-hmm.
In the case of poaching, murdering, and kidnapping of wardens.
Where are you? I can't even. Dark Moon, where are you? Are you hiding somewhere?
Can everybody else see me? Am I dancing on the judge's head?
Oh, you're invisible to me.
Yeah, we can see you.
How strange.
Thanks to you.
I can just see your name tag. How weird. Anyway,
Lawyer's invisible.
continue.
Honestly, it makes sense.
The ghostly apparition in the room is the defense. Okay, and who is on the side of the prosecution, please?
Me.
Yep, you again, the ghostly apparition. And what are your claims against the defendant?
I legit just said it. I actually just gave you both reasons.
Do it again. Do it again. Because I wasn't listening.
Right.
I was distracted by the fact I couldn't see you.
Okay. So, my client here is accusing that Mr. PureIceChill.
Mm-hmm.
Please don't touch my briefcase.
That wasn't me.
I know who it was. I'm death staring him.
Okay. I can't see you.
My client is accusing that PureIceChill
Mm-hmm.
of murdering, poaching,
Mm-hmm.
and habitat destroying, as well as kidnapping of wardens.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Mhm.
Right. What is the prosecution? Oh, there's more, is there? That was a dramatic pause. Continue.
I have to have them. PureIceChill is saying he is. Hang on. Stand by, please. The defendant has admitted that yes, he has done it, but he's also defending on the grounds of, well, like, if the server allows the sale of other mobs' head, banning the sale of the warden head creates inconsistency, maintaining ununiform rules based on all mob heads. So that's his defense.
Okay, what is the prosecution hoping as a compensation or a result of this trial?
5 days in a deep dark city, spawn close by. He must live in harmony with the wardens to understand them.
That's intriguing. Oh, you've all just popped in. That. You've all just popped in. That was lovely. I can see you now. Welcome.
I'm glad your eyesight's fixed.
I've got this all on film. This is great. I've got evidence, and I will watch it back to make sure that I haven't gone mad. Again. Wonderful. Okay, that's good. Should we do a trial then? Prosecution, you lead. Go for it. Do you have any witnesses? Okay. Do you have any opening arguments? That sounds like a good legal thing, doesn't it?
No, I just have a cookie in my mouth. All right. So I would like to put my first piece of evidence up that the defendant has even acknowledged the fact that he has sold and has sold a warden body part, a head, in his shop, specifically in a barrel in the middle row, left-hand side.
Okay.
I would like to bring the accused up to the witness stand.
PureIceChill.
Questions.
Where's the stand? Is that the stand? Oh, smashing. Thank you, UV. It's wonderful. I like that.
This is going to be very quiet. Everyone, please, quiet.
A lot of our people are mutes. So I don't know. Have we got like a teleprompter person who can be our default reading
Yeah,
voice?
Should not. Yeah, can someone please be? Please,
UV,
I
do
can't.
it.
I can't.
UV, do it.
UV, that's on you, buddy.
You're nearest to him, UV.
Okay,
All right, let's go.
let's go. That's the
Beautiful.
spirit.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Pure Ice. Do you understand why you are here today?
Yes.
Perfect. And do you?
The Russian
Are you
accent
going
just
to
really
tell
showing
me
it.
why you're here today? Quiet in the court.
Huh?
Okay. Do you know why you are in court today, sir?
Yes.
Oh,
Can you tell me why you're in court today, sir?
no laughing in the court. It's a serious matter, apparently.
For the accusation of warden endangerment.
Okay. Beautiful. I'm glad we understand that we are here for the same reason. Now, do you understand that what you are doing is technically wrong by mass killing them?
No. No.
You have you or have you not? Here it is. Have you?
This
Oh,
is my
where
court.
is
I
it?
will vape as much as I please.
Judge, if you don't mind. Have you or have you not killed more than 50 wardens?
No.
How many wardens have you killed?
35.
That's rookie numbers.
But you do admit to killing a high amount of wardens.
35 only. Yes.
Okay. Are you also do you also consider yourself a poacher, Mr. Pure Ice?
No.
Are you sure about that? And this includes destroying of shriekers, which is very important to the habitat of the wardens.
Poacher was a nickname given to me by others.
Can you point to the others in this room that gave you that nickname? I mean, point to them, sir.
None of which in this room.
Interesting. So that is, well, okay. I have no further questions. You may sit down.
Thank you very much to PureIceChill. Love your voice, by the way. Really, it's really, really nice. Right. Defense, have you got anything in rebuttal of that? Rebuttal. I
didn't say
no-
get up onto the stand. I didn't ask for you there. You're there anyway now. I guess you can stay.
Gremlin has called himself up.
Gremlin, you got me as your lawyer. You have signed contracts. Don't do things without my knowledge. Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Gremlin, you have given me some paper. Do you wish to sit
Can you
down,
sit
sir?
down?
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Do you agree that you have given me information on which you say that the accused here, sitting across from you, has stated himself as a poacher to you, and has also admitted that he enjoys destroying shriekers and the fragile environment of the wardens? I need a voice for this one.
Oh, we need a new voice. Sandy, you're working, aren't you? Have we got a lady voice? That might be really cool.
I'm on my lunch break.
Oh, wonderful.
Not
Okay.
forever, but
You can
I'm here.
voice Gremlino because that would give me great joy. Thank you
Oh.
for representation in the
Yes.
courtroom.
Oh well. Counter arguments. Woo! Hi, Gremlin. I'm your voice now.
There you go. Okay, continue, please.
Yes. Wait. What? Hello.
Is
Uh,
your
very
witness
good
of in Compass Mentis currently?
I think the voice channel has been broken. Let's hope we can get that fixed in a few seconds.
It'll be fine.
Okay. Now
Oh, wait,
you
is Gremlin
state
actually
that
speaking?
I can hear you.
that's me. I'm the lawyer. Hi. So do you, Mr. Grem? You find his ways of exploiting that of the wardens inhumane and cruel, because they are only seen as monsters and you see them as more than monsters, and you wish to do a more peaceful way of going around things and collecting resources.
Indeed, because the only thing he sells from them is heads when he can sell plushies instead.
Exhibit A plushie head.
It certainly is.
It is. It's stuck there now. Okay,
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Okay. Now, I would like to point this fact out to you, Mr. Grem, that hey, I've got it.
So
I'm
many
going back and
books.
forth between the books.
So many books.
books. It's hard when they don't have titles.
I know. I know.
Um.
You're doing great, by the way.
Now, I would like to point out the fact of, as a crafter, that you also enjoy the game of Minecraft, that you yourself also kill animals. Is this correct? Yes, but
Can
you
we
do
please
kill
look at
animals.
Weezer and how corrupt he is? And also, yes, but not wardens. They are cute and cuddly and fuzzy.
Oh,
You're only here for one.
okay.
Oh god.
This was brought up in the discussion yesterday that Graham has killed at least one, according
Yay,
to the
asses.
statistics page.
Okay, so he has killed one warden. Do you feel remorse for killing that one warden? Have
Yes,
you built?
very much so.
Have you built?
It was not my fault.
How is it not your fault?
Graham's husband is here.
No distractions in the
I
court,
have
please.
to hit them for the job, and it tried walking over lava. Just one hit, so they follow me.
Did you set up a shrine of remembrance towards this warden? Have you really respected its death for what it was?
In the form of Gertrude, yes, I have.
Can you please tell the court who Gertrude is?
Water.
Oh.
Yep.
Is that you that were blipping out then, or was that me?
No!
Just wondering
I
if
do-
I'm about to disconnect or not.
Liar!
I'm sure it's fine.
I judge nation Apparently, wardens don't take fire damage from lava.
Sudi, are
as
you
an
in the
objection-
audience? I believe you are.
Yes.
Smashing. Sudi is our forensic expert.
Oh god.
I will ask you to the front in a second. Be warned.
Sudi, Google.
Oh my god. Okay, I will be googling.
Thank you, Sudi.
Okay, well that gets googled. Okay, I have no further more questions for you. Thank you for your time.
I'd just like to ask, from a more personal note, Graham, was Gertrude the one that killed me on the way in?
No.
Okay. The one that's outside in the pen?
That was
Gertrude.
Gertrude.
Okay, I see. What's the difference? Fully tamed. Okay. So in their natural state, you would say that they are aggressive. Okay.
Now, I would also like to put up another piece of evidence against Mr. Pure Ice. So I'm now on the other side, Mr.
Oh, okay. So defense has closed. Sorry, prosecution is closed. We've moved on to the defebs.
Yep, I would like to put up another piece of evidence. Wait, no, what am I doing? Defense. For the defense. Yep. Thank you for reminding
Do you mind just popping this on so that we know the difference? Thank you.
Oh, I forgot to bring that special thing you told
You
me to bring.
did, but it's okay. There'll be other trials. Don't worry. We were going to bring Ames' head so we could make them swear the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, but someone forgot. Another time. Another time.
I was eating ice cream.
That's fine. Ice cream. Yeah.
I've got another piece of evidence on.
We'll do it for the
behalf
next trial.
of-
Don't worry. Go back. Thank you, though.
Yeah. So, in the defense's defense, players can choose to participate in choosing whether or not to trade Warden's heads based on their personal ethics. However, imposing restrictions on everyone removes the different ways for players to enjoy the game.
Who threw that?
If Popo's not happy. Popo's not happy.
Oh,
Okay.
it's all right. We got it on camera. We can check that later. Is it
Do
someone
I
with a
continue?
chicken directly in front of them?
Do I continue, sir?
Right. Have we got order in the court? Wonderful. Yes, please continue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet. Thank you. I'm gonna go back to that page. So if the
Continue.
accusations presented from Mr. Gremlino has also entered the warden's home and interacted with the warden in a way that has led to harm, then the same standards should apply to them when being applied to me. So, what my client here is asking is if he has to spend 5 nights in the deep dark city, then also the person who has also harmed a warden should be spending 5 nights in the deep dark.
It's a wonderful argument if it does come to that. Was that the entire defense?
I object!
Okay, you object. Okay, prosecution, what is your objection to this quite reasonable proposition?
I'm working on it. Give me a second.
I object, I just haven't thought of the objection.
No, I've got them in the books. I'm meant to be one lawyer.
I'll give you
Okay.
3 seconds. 2,
I can't swear to you.
1.
Okay, the defendant has admitted that he has considered himself a poacher and has agreed to the nickname upon him. And he has also admitted that his job includes destroying all streakers which serve as a fragile creature in the fragile creature's habitat. But what we find inhumane and unnatural against what he is doing is the fact that it's just such a huge amount of destruction. Does not count as just also brief towards the server, because he is not reproducing skulk, he is taking from already existing land. Just because they are seen as monsters does not mean that is true. He claims that wardens are monsters. I claim he does not understand those wardens. They are not monsters. They are poor, blind creatures that just need a hand and a hug to.
As sentimental as that is, I'm going to argue against that objection purely
You
because
can't argue.
I can. I'm a judge. Watch me.
No, you can't.
Yeah. I mean, if you're arguing that breaking blocks is blocks is griefing, then chopping down trees is griefing, digging up mud is griefing. So we're not going to draw a line on that one. That's basic Mojang Constitution. We're not arguing against that here. Continue with your defense or prosecution, whichever side you're on at this particular time. Continue.
I'm working on it. Give me a second.
Mhm.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. I would like to bring a witness to the stand.
Is it Sandy? Because she's like biting at the bit by the sound of it.
Sure, I guess.
Right.
Oh,
Who's
shit.
coming to the stand?
Sure. Okay. Bring up the court calls Sandy, seeing as she's quite keen to chirp in. Would you like to share it with the rest of the class, Sandy? Take a seat.
If you are going
Yes,
to
I do.
argue that going into
Ow.
clearly inhabited lands and going there to destroy their natural environment, destroying their crops, destroying their livelihood.
Sandy, over here, please.
Can you just thank you so much?
I have no idea how court works.
It's fine, nor do I. Continue.
But if
I
you
call
were
to the
going,
expert of Minecraft laws. There you go.
What?
what was that?
Carry on, Sandy.
Well, if you were going to be arguing that it is completely fine to waltz in somewhere where you clearly have not staked your claim and destroy the natural environment, destroy their livelihoods, destroy the people who very much live there, that would be, it would be fine if I came into your house and killed you, right?
No, because we've already staked a claim.
Well, so have the wardens.
Minecraft is an infinite
It's a
world.
city.
There are
It's a
infinite
city.
wardens with infinite area. You could kill 1,000,000,000, billion, trillion wardens, and there would still be infinite more.
Well, not if this continues.
Yeah, I see your
Resources are
point.
finite.
Hang on. I like this witness. I need to ask questions to make this proper.
Mhm.
I like
Continue,
you. You're
please.
good. I also like your skin. Very nice skin today.
Thank
So do you agree that the Wardens has their own city and they only have a finite amount of habitat?
There is obviously a finite amount of habitat. They're named cities.
And-
They are developed areas.
Exactly, a developing area, as in these are not monsters. These are individuals with their own way of developing
Exactly.
their own society. Okay.
They
Beautiful.
might not be human, but neither are puppies, and you wouldn't kick a puppy, would you?
Well, this is something I would like to ask towards you.
Wow.
You got 10 minutes. Okay. Do you consider them disabled with the fact that they cannot see?
I suppose you could consider them as such.
And would you say that harming them in large amount of numbers is not only a cruel crime, but they can't see it coming?
It's incredibly cruel. They have heightened other senses, but it might be considered incredibly cruel.
Beautiful. That's all the questions I have. Thank you.
Okay, smashing. Thank you, Sandy.
Can I go?
Yep, you may leave. Oh, sorry, is there more? Oh, sorry, the prosecution wants to have a go now.
That's the prosecution. I'm the defendant over here.
The defendant wants to have a go now.
I put the head on for a reason.
I know. There's a 50-50 chance of me getting it right.
Does Mojang, the creator of the world that in which we are all gathered here today as people, as a community who are able to communicate with each other, we are all classified as hostile, correct? We can all hurt each other. Is this not correct?
Correct.
Right. So, what does one do when someone gets hostile towards one another?
One turns off PvP.
One doesn't always have the chance to turn off PvP. What did I say? If someone hurts somebody, what does usually happen?
Death.
Death. Thank you. So players can hurt each other. So why can't a player hurt a warden?
Just because one thing is okay doesn't mean the other thing is
Graham,
okay.
please keep quiet. This is your last warning now. Continue.
I've got to play both sides of the
Just
court,
because
man.
one crime gets committed, it doesn't excuse the other crime, does it?
In this case, it might, very much so. Mojang has considered these not player mods. These are, as Mojang likes to point it out, a hostile mob. As in, they will hurt us with just one hit.
Well, that might be true, but, you know, as you just yourself said, players can also be hostile, but does that excuse that self-defense would turn into murder? I don't think so.
I rest my case. I have no further questions.
Okay. Wonderful. Is Sandy allowed to go back to her seat now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Prosecution rests. Thank you, Sandy.
Stop talking.
Thank you.
Okay.
Lunch break's almost over.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to final arguments. Do it. Prosecution first. Final arguments. Let's wrap this up. Sandy nearly has lunch.
I'm working on it.
I can go.
I'm joking.
Okay.
I'm joking.
all, all my client wishes is to have the respect and care for the gentle wardens to return and to make sure they are looked after. They have a finite resource, a finite habitat. Mass killing them and destroying their lands does not help. All we're asking for is a simple punishment where the accused understands living with them and understands their needs and their rights as creatures within this game, just like us, and we can live in harmony with the wardens. Done.
Thank you. Thank you, prosecution. Defense. Where's your hat?
The server allows for the sale of mobs' heads. Banning any type of sale of anything is against the entire Mojang thing. The fact that we are now in court today saying
Quiet
that we
down over there,
cannot-
Weeds. Last warning. Same as Graham. Continue, please.
The fact that we are in court today saying that we cannot do things that we are allowed to do as players. Are we not here today as players to enjoy things in Minecraft, to build with things in Minecraft that we cannot build with in other games? I say this. We are players that should be enjoying the different materials we can take. Skulk sensors, those beautiful blue sparkling things. I see them used by everybody. Everybody. And wardens, they hurt us. They scare us. I think a little bit of self-defense is okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, thanks.
Nope, that's good. Great closing arguments. Thank you very much, defense. Prosecution. I would say your both arguments have been almost equal, as if by the same legal defense and prosecution. Very impressive. Very impressive.
I didn't ask for this. Hey, just guys, keep
Can-
it civil.
can you-
keep it
can you
peaceful,
go back
keep it
inside?
place.
Let's go back inside.
No,
Let's
okay,
go
you
back
can.
inside.
No, of
Grim,
course, we gotta do
Grim,
the thing, yep.
Grim.
Yeah.
Nope, there's another door open. Hold
Is
on.
everyone here?
Just keep it peaceful, okay?
Okay. Everyone stand. The judge is arriving. I think that's what you say. Stand up. Press shift, stand up.
It's gonna get wild out there. Keep your eye out, I know. Okay, right. Thank you very much. Be seated. Or as close to seated as you can be. There we go. PureIceChill, take a seat. Okay, so court is in order, I believe. So, the jury, have you reached your verdict?
We have indeed. We have conferred. We have decided that the wardens are a threat to society,
Mm-hmm.
and have therefore ruled in favor of PureIceChill. We rule him not guilty.
Okay. I accept this this ruling in favor of the defendant. However, for the sake of, let's just call this an affectionate, a well-being course for the both of you, because I feel like a lot of bad blood is happening between wardens and warden poachers within the community. I believe that you will both benefit from a 2-day retreat within an end city together. This will be arranged. Sorry, not an end city. Whatever it's called. Deep dark city. Warden City. Ancient City. Thank you very much. So you will be banished to a Warden City for 2 days together. This will be arranged by UV. You can arrange this for me, can't you? Wonderful.
Why not?
Perfect. Excellent. And that will be arranged at a later date. So please get your affairs in order. I hope to hear that you are working together. Not slaying wardens. This will be a peaceful mission. Afterwards, you may take your learnings with you, PureIceChill, and continue. Smashing. Thank you very much. That'll be the third one. Yeah, take your lessons with you, and well, whether that affects your long-term industry business standards, that's entirely down to you. Is that acceptable to you, Graham? You can nod. 100%.
Yeah, he's 100%. 100%. Yep.
PureIceChill, are you happy with these terms? Wonderful.
He agrees 100%.
Smashing. Okay. In which case, we find the defendant not guilty. The course on Ancient City Deep Learning will be administered by, not UV, parole officer for a later date. Thank you. Court is adjourned. Thank you to everyone for partaking in this particular court session. Court rests.
Somebody else needs to be the bloody lawyer next time. That's all I'm saying. For fuck's sake.
Yeah, next time if we could have 2 lawyers, that'd be ideal.
No. The court's adjourned. I'm allowed to swear. Bugger off.
Yeah, good point. It's all good. Good night, everyone.
Don't you bloody hit me.
Good night.